If your dragon fruit plant is flowering but not giving big, healthy fruits, you're probably missing this simple trick. Today, I'll show you exactly how. I fertilize my dragon fruit during flowering and fruiting using Nano Urea, Nano DAP, and Seaweed fertilizer for faster growth, stronger flowers, and bigger fruits. Most people either overuse chemical fertilizers or ignore micronutrients, and that leads to flower drop, small fruits, or no fruit at all. But here's the correct method that actually works. Firstly, we are taking Nano DAP. This boosts phosphorus, which is essential for strong flowers and fruit setting. We take 2 to 4 milliliters Nano DAP per liter of water, especially for the flower buds. Next comes Nano Urea. This helps in overall plant energy and fruit growth. We add 2 to 4 milliliters per liter of Nano Urea to the same water. Here, we're mixing about 4 milliliters of Nano DAP and 4 milliliters of Nano Urea in about a 1.5 liter of water. I personally got this recipe mix from an IFFCO plant chemical engineer. Now you can spray it on plant stem, flower buds, and growing fruits as well. The phosphorus will help in flowering and fruit setting, and the nitrogen will help in the growth of developing plants and fruits. Spray this every 7 to 10 days if the plant is in flowering and fruiting stage. But if the plant is in the growth phase, use it every 2 to 3 weeks depending on the plant health and soil type. Warning: don't overuse it, otherwise it might burn the flowers and plant. Now the secret weapon, seaweed fertilizer. Seaweed fertilizer is a natural, sustainable biostimulant that improves soil health, stimulates plant growth. It also improves nutrient absorption, reduces stress, and increases fruit size and sweetness. It is rich in potassium, trace micronutrients like iron and zinc, and natural plant growth hormones like auxins and cytokinins. Mix 2 to 5 milliliters per liter and spray or pour it directly into the soil once a week. If the plant is in flowering and fruiting stage, and if the plant is in growth phase, then spray or pour it in the soil every 2 to 3 weeks. Always spray in early morning or evening, never in direct sunlight. And make sure your plant gets good drainage and sunlight. After following this routine, you'll see stronger flowers, better fruit setting, and much bigger dragon fruits. Follow for more real dragon fruit growing tips and comment if you want to know more about dragon fruits. Thanks for watching!